Hi, today we're gonna make a pork lo mein. We use about 3/4 pound of pork. Cut it to kind of long strip, little thin long strip like that. Like that. You know, you can use pork shoulder or pork loin. So we have to marinate the pork first. So all you have to do is just put some white pepper in it and little salt. Then you put the eggs in it. Put the eggs in it. And you mix them together. Put some cornstarch in it. Kind of mix together enough, kind of right amount of starch in it to make the coatings. Okay, then put some oil in it. Yeah, that will do it. Then we stir fry the meat first. Turn it on. Okay, we set the temperature to about 500. So it's hot right now, so we put some oil in it, and it's real hot. So we put the meat in it. So we have to cook this, make it well done before we cook the other stuff. See? I think the meat is done, so we're gonna scoop them up. Okay, and we're gonna put some oil in it. 1 teaspoon of garlic. And some ginger, a spoon of ginger, and some onions. And you stir fry those onions first. Then after that, you have the yolk choy and bean sprout and mushroom in it. So the yolk choy, the Chinese yolk choy. Okay, and you put them in. Alright, then you're gonna put some little bit of white pepper in it, about little bit, 1 teaspoon of sugar, then 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, then a couple tablespoon of cooking sherry. Okay. Then 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then after that we put some water in it. About half a cup of water in it. And now we're going to put some steamed chow mein noodle in it. They call it cooked. It's cooked. It's already cooked. We use about half a bag, I mean about 7 ounces. About half a pound of those they call that Cantonese noodle. So you keep that cooking, just let them stir fry them a little bit until it kind of dry up, so thickening it, until they are thickening it. Here you see the little sticky, so that's it going, Okay, then maybe we need to put a little bit of more, just a little bit of water in it, because we're going to put the meat into it, we want a little bit more, until you look at it is right, kind of blend it together, not too runny, We're going to put the meat into it. I put a little bit of soy sauce in it. 1 tablespoon. Okay. Okay, I think that's done, and we're gonna get it up. Okay. And this is pork lo mein.